All right, back on the 95 hatch project today, the K-swap hatch. I'll be doing a little interior work. Got something here I'm gonna be installing. I've actually had it for a while now. It's been finding time to do it. And yeah, I was focusing on the more important issues on the car. Plus, I wanted to get this particular part wrapped, and I was kind of dragging my feet on that. Had a friend of mine do it, and I just now got him over there to him so he could do it. But anyway, we're gonna check it out real quick. What it is some aluminum door panels from LRB Speed. Really nice quality. Unfortunately, I've already wrapped them. I wish I could show you what it looked like before. Maybe I can find a picture. I might have took a picture of it. If so, I'll post it up right here. They're really nice quality. They were beautiful brushed aluminum. They're just a regular aluminum. They were beautiful brushed aluminum. Looked really good. Just really doesn't go with anything theme-wise I got going on. Everything's black inside the car, what I have, and that's the theme I want to keep going with. So I had a friend of mine. I was just going to have him do them like a satin black. But he said, I got something I think you'll like. So dropped them off with him. He got them done, and let me show them to you. So here are the panels. So you can order them. So this is one of the panels. So when you order it, you can tell them how you want it. They come with a factory door handle cut out. If you have power switches, powered windows, or manual, we have manual. Come with a logo etched in there. You can get them with or without speaker hole cutouts. It's supposed to be a pretty well just bolt in application. They have provisions. We don't have them trimmed out here, but for the factory rubber to go here, it goes against the glass. But I don't have that, and I cannot find it anywhere. So for now, we're just going to put them in like they are. Maybe you can see the finish on the back of these. Yeah, it's a really beautiful brushed finish. Really nice quality. But this is this wrap is a forged carbon. I think it looks really cool. It looks like it's just black and like somebody took grinder to it. We were going to do my Balls Out Performance logo down here under the wrap, but we just didn't have time to do it, and I was fine. I think this looks really clean like it is. So I think this wrap's kind of fit our theme a little better. And down the road, if I decide I wanted to, rot the aluminum, whenever I pull this off, it'll be in perfect shape. It'll resist any scratches or anything like that. Or the wrap will take the brunt of that. So anyway, we're gonna pop them on real quick and kind of see what they look like, get a feel of the fit and finish on them, and let you guys check them out. First, we gotta get our window. Crank out of the way. The reason I went with these panels is this car didn't come with any interior, which is fine. I kind of like the strip look, kind of street rod look. I wanted a little bit of, finish in the car, so that's why I got these panels here. I'd like to get some good, some nicer window cranks, like maybe it's like some billet ones or something like that. I just gotta do some looking. But anyway, like I said, I really like to find the rubber that goes here. Haven't been able to do it yet. Okay, so test fitted these things a while back, but back off. There's no clip in there. So we got to get that out. And this came with all the get both of these out. This came with all the hardware and everything. We could get that stuff real quick. I'd like to utilize one of these OEM screw holes. So take both of these out. Next, we just came with these just plastic like bumper rivets, panel rivets. Just pop those in place in the factory holes. Just get them started, then I'll come back and anchor them. Okay. These are in. Go ahead and secure them. Okay. Next, they give you a pull strap. Since you no longer have the factory arm handle there, they give you the screw, and you can pick. They got all kind of different colors and whatnot. That's it. Reinstall our crank. Regulators I'll need to be lubed up and serviced, but anyway, that's it. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know if the factory trim would go around that or not. I'm not sure because I don't have it, but either way it looks pretty good. It'd be nice to get some nice factory some new plastic handles, maybe even paint this stuff in here black. Yeah, I think that looks pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. Yeah, that looks really nice. I'm happy with that. It looks a lot cleaner than just the open door. And you know, eventually when we paint the car, you know, we have everything jammed out and everything, and eventually we'll paint the interior and everything, and it'll really, I think it'll really tie everything together. But for now, I'm happy with it. Very easy to install. Like I said, eventually I want to get these the rubbers that go here just to help kind of support the glass a little bit and give it a more finished look. Yeah, really cool. Fits nice. Price was reasonable. Very easy to install. Like I said, they got a lot of different options. If you want, if you got power stuff, speakers, anything like that. But anyway, whatever. Quick little upgrade to make the car look a lot better. Just feel better whenever you start driving it, which should be soon. Just working out some issues with the electrical and stuff like that. But mechanically, everything's ready to go for the most part. So anyway, appreciate you for watching. If you got any comments, questions, or anything like that, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one.